Hi, welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Rebecca, this is Laura, and this is Steph from the Secret Bridesmaid. Steph is back with us today to show us how to style this beautiful multi-way jumpsuit. So it's not a dress, it's a brand new product. So we're going to show you a few different ways of how to wear it, so some options for your bridesmaids. So we'll link everything in the description box below, all Steph's details. If you like the video, after you've watched it, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time. So this is our brand new luxury multi-way jumpsuit, as demonstrated by the lovely Becky from Bride Society. So I'm just going to show you a couple of different ways of tying it. So as it's an autumn colour and a bit of a retro colour as well, we're going to show you a couple of quite cool 70s ways of tying it. So to start with, we've got the straps at the front, and we're just going to tie a knot at the front to create a bit of a halter neck. I'm going to pop the straps round Becky's back, and then we're just going to twizzle it round the back to create a really cool racer back detail. Take the straps back round the front, back round the back, and tie in a simple knot. So now we're going to put Becky in another sort of 70s retro style way. So we're going to go for a knotted one shoulder look. So both straps are out the front again. We're going to take both straps, we're going to tie a simple knot in them. We're going to bring it up over Becky's shoulder, so you've got that nice little bit of keyhole detail there. Knot on the shoulder, and then we're just going to bring it round, twizzle it a couple of times for a side racer back. Bring the straps round the front, round the back, and tie in a simple knot. And again, ready to dance the night away. So now we're going to try Becky in our luxury multi-way jumpsuit with a bit more of a classic way, but it's got a bit of a twist, literally. So first of all, we're going to take the straps and put them over Becky's shoulders, and then we're going to turn around and we're going to go for a butterfly back. So we're going to cross over and double cross, and then we're going to take the straps back round the front, but rather than just bringing them straight back round, we're going to do a double cross again, so it creates an extra little bit of detail at the front before finishing and tying in a knot. So we can turn back round and show them the extra little cross detail at the front.